better than the smell of fresh lemon. We use lemon in our daily lives all the time, from putting it in our water for a little extra zest or using it in our cleaning products for that lemony fresh smell. Did you know that you can use lemon for all kinds of things? And you can even put lemon in your hair. Before we get into the many uses of lemon for your hair, why not click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell too, so you never miss any great tips like these in our daily videos. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and can give your body a real boost in the form of immune health and reducing inflammation. Plus, there's nothing better than a nice cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. Lemons have 101 uses, but today we're going to talk about the benefits and a few things to keep an eye out for when putting lemon in your hair. You might be thinking, why on earth would I put lemon in my hair? And we don't blame you. It can seem a bit silly. One of the main reasons is because of lemon's bleaching qualities, which can help lighten your hair color naturally. If you're already a blonde and don't really want to lighten your hair, don't worry. There's a lot of other great benefits that lemon can bring to your luscious locks. There are also a few things you should watch out for. We here at Bestie like to look on the positive side of life, so we'll start with the good stuff. Lightening your hair. Using lemon juice can actually help to give your hair that nice summer, sun-kissed look without any harmful chemicals. All you need is a lemon, or just the juice, and sunshine. The citric acid in the lemon juice will start to react with the sun's UV rays and oxygen, therefore activating the bleaching properties and lightening your hair naturally. Applying lemon onto unwashed hair will likely give you better results. Unfortunately, HEALTHLINE says that this really only works on dark blonde or light brown hair. If you have dark or red hair, you may not see much of a result. Here's how STYLECRAZE recommends applying the lemon to your hair. Step 1. You'll need to get the lemon juice first, so slice a fresh lemon into halves and squeeze them into a mixing bowl. If you have shorter hair, you might not need the whole lemon. Same goes for longer hair. If you need more, add more. One word of caution, stick to using fresh lemons instead of the store-bought lemon juice, as that may contain certain chemicals that might be harmful to your skin and hair. Step 2. Find something to apply the juice with. This can be a brush used to apply hair dye, or you can simply put the juice into a spray bottle. StyleCraze.com also recommends adding some water or conditioner to the lemon juice to help your hair feel hydrated and smooth afterwards. Step 3. Apply the mixture wherever you'd like your highlights. If you want to put the mixture on all of your hair, that's great, or you can choose a few sections. It's fun to be creative. Number 4. Add the secret ingredient, sunshine. This process usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Because you're going to be out in the sun for a while, don't forget the sunscreen and drink plenty of water. After you've been out in the sun for a while, go inside and wash your hair thoroughly. Remember, if you don't see your desired results the first time, you can always try again. This process is more on the gradual side, so it might take up to 4 sessions to get the results you're looking for. Keep conditioning your hair as well so it doesn't get damaged from all that sun exposure. Gives you shiny hair. We've all seen those shampoo commercials where the models have that unbelievably shiny hair. Well, we're guessing those images are probably helped out by the magic of television, so we can't promise that your hair will be that shiny, but one thing is for sure, adding lemon will help shine up that head of hair. HEALTHLINE says all it takes is about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and add it to the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Remember, you want fresh lemons, not the store-bought pre-juiced stuff. Apply the mixture evenly throughout your hair and after a few minutes, give it a rinse. Say goodbye to dandruff. Okay, now this is starting to sound like a shampoo commercial. Even so, the folks over at HEALTHLINE say that applying lemon juice to your scalp as well as your hair can have some fantastic benefits. Lemon juice can absorb that extra oil that may be causing you to have dandruff. Just give yourself a little head massage with some added lemon juice to help clear up that excess oil. No more split ends. Ugh, split ends are the worst. They make your hair look unkempt and prevent it from growing. The only remedy for split ends you currently have is to chop them. But once you do that, adding freshly squeezed lemon juice and equal parts olive oil to the ends of your hair will allow you to split up with those split ends. Those are all some great tips to help you achieve your hair dreams in an easy and natural way. But like we said at the beginning of this video, there's also a few things we should mention that maybe aren't so wonderful. Lemons are acidic. Because lemons have citric acid, that could cause you to have a skin reaction, especially if you're putting it on sensitive areas like the scalp. Best practice would be to test it out before you jump in both feet. Doing a quick patch test on your hair or scalp might save you some unwanted discomfort later on. You might get a reaction. Lemons, as well as parsley and oranges, all have a bit of a dark side and can sometimes cause a contact reaction in certain individuals. It mostly affects the skin, not the hair, and causes inflammation, blisters, and possible dark spots on the skin that are stubborn and won't go away for weeks. This doesn't sound like any fun, so be mindful of this before using lemon on your hair or scalp. Same as the previous point, doing a patch test will save you a lot of grief. Lemons have lots of great health benefits, and you should try to incorporate some lemon-inspired dishes into your diet for an extra vitamin C boost, along with a shot of soluble fiber and other nutrients that do the body good. Plus, with all these great hair tips, lemons can not only help you to feel good, they can help you look good too. What did you think about this lemony video? Do you love lemons? Have you ever tried to dye your hair using lemon juice before? What's your favorite way to use lemons in your daily life? Let us know in the comment section below your favorite thing about lemons. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.